This is ACER Iconia M10, and today I'll show how you can wipe the cache partition on this device. So first, launch the power off menu by pressing and holding the, power button. Now select the power off option and allow a few seconds for your tablet to be shut down all the way. Once it is, press and hold volume down and power keys to launch the boot mode or boot menu. Then release them once you, see the boot menu. Here, use the volume down to select and volume up to confirm. So put this arrow in front of the recovery mode and then press the volume up button. Now wait a few seconds for the recovery menu to load. And here's the Android recovery mode. On this menu, you can navigate by using both volume up and volume down buttons, and to confirm the selection, press the power key. The option that we're looking for is the wipe cache partition, so select it, then press the power button, then once again select yes to confirm, then wait for the cache wipe to be completed, and that's it. Now, in order to exit the recovery menu and get yourself back to the regular Android system operations, select the Reboot System Now option and press the power key. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.